another cute kid cooking. Today we are attempting Blondies by two Blondie girls. Yep, we're Blondies. We're gonna try and make Blondies. This recipe comes from a site called Crazy for Crust.
We actually got this.
And we've got all our stuff ready to go. So let's do it. Okay.
We actually got these.
We got a measuring cup, so we're ready to go. Ooh, my hair looks crazy, but Emma said I didn't need to take care of it, so see what you get with me. Alright, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees.
We got this.
Yep, so we're ready to start. So we need to mix.
We got.
Oh, yep, the oven's really ready. We need to mix butter and brown sugar, okay?
We actually got this.
Okay, we got this. So let's get our brown sugar. It did not specify what kind, light brown or dark brown. So we might have already messed up.
I didn't know. Oh, I know.
We don't care. Alright, so we need 2 cups of brown sugar packed. Because it's just fun. Oh. I need a spoon, Emma. Get a spoon so we can pack. Actually, my hands are clean. My hands.
Can I do it?
Yeah, push it down so it's all packed in. Alright, let's add some more. It's not quite ready. Gotta make sure it's all packed and full. Keep going, girl. Keep pushing it down like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
It kind of is like Play-Doh, right? Yeah, push it in there. Okay. See, that's 1 cup. After we do all of this, yes. Okay. Add some more. I'm just diving in with my hand now. Alright, push this down. Oh, okay, I'll do it. I think it's fun. You know, we're gonna hand mix it, okay? In a little bit. After we do this, we're gonna be adding in a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with a hand mixer. So that should be fun.
Are you ready yet?
Almost. Just a little bit more brown sugar. Alright, put that in. Boink. Alright. I do need to wash my hands. I think you need to wash your hands too. We're going to do that and then we'll let you know what's happening. Okay, so we're going to cut up the butter. That's good. Just to make it easier, I think. Don't you? To get it in. Oh, the little paper on there still. Ah! It's holding on. Okay, ready? Where's your knife? There it is. Okay, let's just cut it up into little pieces. Oh, it's not soft at all. I probably should have room temperatured that. Oh well. Also, these are IKEA children's knives, so, you know. Maybe push down with your hand, and that'll make it better. Okay, do it with the Sharpie edge on the bottom. Let me help you. That's it. Just push down. Push down, push down, push down. Good job. Ugh. I did think it was weird. This recipe didn't call for this butter to be melted. So I'm not sure. It wants it to be crumbly and not wet. So I guess it knows what it's doing. It knows what it's doing. The thing is, do Mommy and Emma know what we're doing? There you go. Push down. Here you go. Good job. Alright, last one. Okay, time to hand mix. Okay, so we mixed it in. Now it's time for eggs and vanilla. So we need 2 large eggs. Okay, I just put up 4 fingers. 2 large eggs. Okay. Ready?
Oh, it's cracked.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cracked. I want to make sense.
I think we're going to have to use the hand mixer again, boo-boo. Which you have decided you do not enjoy.
Mommy, I want to try mixing.
You can try mixing. I'll wash my hands. And vanilla extract, we need 1 tablespoon. Whoa, that seems strong.
Vanilla, vanilla, vanilla.
There you go, boo. Doing good. And you know what? That was the last we had, so perfect. Stick it in there. All right. Mix until smooth, my dear child.
Okay, Mommy. Whoa.
Is mixing your job?
Mommy, look at
Oh. We lost some. You want me to do it? Okay, bye. Well, we had to take a break because Mommy needed her apron. We can't find Emma's apron anywhere. Where is it? Gran or Grammy, if you were watching, or Aunt Katie, leave in the comments where you think the apron is. It's not in the kitchen, her kitchen. It's not in my kitchen. It's not upstairs. I don't know where it is. Tell us where it is, guys. I cannot remember and I cannot find it. It's super cute too. You can stir a little here. So now we're mixing in the salt, the baking powder, and then the flour. So I'm going to let her kind of spin this around a little, and then I'll dump in the flour and I'll do the hand mixer for that. Okay, so stir that in a little and we'll do some flour.
In the comments, when you see an apron, or Gran, or Katie,
A Grammy.
Grammy, Mommy, what?
Well, they've been here and they play with you and they're here, and so maybe they know. Because sometimes I'm not here when you're playing with other people. So I don't know. Okay, flour. Two cups of flour. Let me check that. Yes, 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour.
Alright, I think we'll have to use the hand mixer now, Emma. Emma doesn't really like the hand mixer. She also absolutely despises hand dryers in bathrooms. So there's something about hands and loud noises that are not in this cute kid's list of favorite things. Okay, we're gonna mix. We'll be right back. Cute kid fell off her stool. So I'm on my own. You're stuck with me. Sorry. But now it's time to add the mix-ins, which I'm doing chocolate chips because 1, my tastes are simple, and 2, duh, chocolate chips. So that's going in the batter next. So we're gonna do that. Random confession time. As you guys know, I'm not good at baking. Also, I hate hand mixers, okay? Why are they so hard to use? Like, I probably was supposed to put that like in the actual base and everything, but I don't care. I hate them. I can't figure out how to use them. Apparently there's a learning curve. I cannot beat hand mixer experts. What am I doing wrong? Why are they so hard? Why? Okay, so I failed again, I think, because it says the mixture is supposed to be wet. My mixture is very dense. Have I ruined it already? But it does say it's wet, so use your hands, which this is dense, and using my hands to make it even does make sense, because it's like cookie-ish dough sort of deal. So am I okay? Have I made fatal errors? I like baking, but in the process, I find it so stressful. Anyway, I'm gonna get this all even, and then I'm gonna put some more chocolate chips on it. So, okay, let's see how that goes. Okay, so I cannot get this thing to cook through, and I don't know what I've done wrong. And I know it'll firm up, but it's so jiggly, and when I put a toothpick through it, it still seems like stuff sticking on, but it's hard to tell because there's so many chocolate chips in it, so the chocolate chips all melted come through, and I don't know. And Emma informed me she thinks I hit a wrong button, but I did not hit a wrong button. So I'm going to overcook them. Like, I need to stop this. I know what I've done wrong, and I'm doing wrong as I'm doing it, but it's so jiggly, and the toothpick test is not working. Yikes. Meanwhile, Emma has changed her outfit again. I believe that is 3 costume changes in 1 video. That might be a new winner. Let's check it out. What did I do wrong? Oh, man. Oh, well. I'll learn. Oh, golly. Uh-oh. You okay, Fancy Nancy? It's hard to wear those costume shoes in a slippery floor. Okay, yes. There you go. Scratch your booty, move along. Oh, did you lose a shoe?
Yeah.
Do you need it right now? Alright, here's the finished product. Like I said, it still looks very jiggly. Emma's going to blow on it because she wants to dig in. But we're going to have to wait a while, Emma, because it's got to firm up and cool down. That sounded weird after I said it. Okay.
I think it's better now.
Blondies. Think it's better now that you've blown on it? Thanks, man. Okay.
Yeah.
What? You jumped the gun, girl.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So, bye-bye vlog. Thank you for watching, viewers. We appreciate every view. That's another cute kid cooking.
This looks like a beanie.
Yeah, she loves to make beanies out of pipe cleaners right now. I don't know what beanies are, but it's basically when you twist it around your finger and then it looks like a piggy tail. That's a beanie. So go ahead and make us some beanies while we say goodbye. If you haven't already done so, I can't talk. I can't cook and I can't talk. Ma! So please subscribe. It helps us to know who's out there, who's watching, and just helps us feel good about ourselves. Let's be honest. I mean, why else would we be doing YouTube except for some pride rush? So dopamines, yeah. Anyway, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.
A beanie.
And this is a beanie. There you go.
Then make a one.
That's a freebie.
And then make a beanie.
There you go. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when new
You can
videos
make a
come out.
beanie too.
It's easy. Everyone can do it.
I can see me.
I know, I see you too on the video, huh? And again, thank you for watching. Remember, adventure is out there. Today it was in our kitchen, and hopefully we have some yummy blondies in there. I hope. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!
Bye.